Dear friends, welcome to my video on what is artificial intelligence in robotics. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. What's the big deal with AI? Before we leap into robots and their newfound intelligence, let's talk AI 101. In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is all about creating computer systems that can perform tasks that would usually require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding natural language, and even perception. Sounds pretty cool, right? In the beginning, we had dumb machines. You had to feed them instructions in excruciating detail. Early computers were glorified calculators. They could only do exactly what you told them to. But then researchers thought, hey, what if these machines could learn? And boom, machine learning was born, a subset of AI that allows computers to improve at tasks by being fed data. Think of it like training your dog, but with less fur and no treats. Feed it enough data, the experiences, and the algorithm, the dog, in this weird analogy, gets better at whatever task it's supposed to do. Robots, the bodies for AI brains, alright, let's bring robots into the mix. Traditionally, robots were all about hardware, motors, sensors, mechanical arms, and so on. They were excellent at repetitive tasks in controlled environments, like assembling cars in a factory. But ask one to navigate through a messy room or identify a specific object among a pile. Good luck with that. Enter AI. When you combine AI with robotics, you give these mechanical entities the ability to think, or at least, a version of thinking. This fusion of hardware and software opens up a Pandora's box of endless possibilities, from robots that can perform complex surgeries to self-driving cars. The perfect symbiosis. AI and robotics, sir. Why are AI and robotics such a great match? Here are a few reasons. Decision-making. Robots fitted with AI algorithms can make decisions based on the data they collect via sensors. For instance, if a robot is navigating a room and encounters an obstacle, AI can help it decide the best course of action. Adaptability. AI allows robots to adapt to new environments and situations. This is crucial for tasks like search and rescue, where the setting is unpredictable. Learning. Just like humans, robots with AI can learn from experience. Teach a robot to play ping pong, and over time, it might just get good enough to beat you. Autonomy. With AI, robots don't need constant human supervision. Imagine drones that can autonomously patrol an area and alert humans only when necessary. Human interaction. Ever heard of chatbots? AI makes it possible for robots to understand and even respond to human language, enabling more natural interactions. Multitasking. Traditional robots are usually designed for a single purpose. AI enables robots to perform a variety of tasks, making them more versatile and valuable. How AI is transforming robotics healthcare. Surgical robots powered by AI can assist doctors in performing complex procedures with incredible precision. Agriculture. Farming robots can scan fields to check soil quality, plant seeds, and even harvest crops. Transportation. Self-driving cars are no longer the stuff of movies. Companies like Tesla are pushing the envelope on what's possible in autonomous driving. Logistics. Ever wonder how Amazon manages to deliver your packages so quickly? Thank robots and AI for super efficient warehouses. Entertainment. From AI-powered video games to robots that can compose music, the synergy between AI and robotics is reshaping how we have fun. Home automation. Robots like the Roomba use AI to efficiently clean your home, and they're getting smarter every day. So, that's the lowdown on AI in robotics. What we're looking at here is more than just fancy gadgets and gizmos. It's the beginning of a new era where humans and machines collaborate in ways we could only dream of a few years back. So the next time you hear someone talk about AI and robots taking over the world, you can tell them, hey, it's not about robots replacing us. It's about them making our lives better. Cheers! Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.